How to download YouTube videos without YouTube Premium. Hello everybody, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, we are going to learn how we can download the YouTube videos without YouTube Premium. So let's just directly go ahead with the process and find out how to do it. So if you want to delete download a YouTube video without the YouTube Premium, you can directly head over to YouTube first. And when you head over to it, you can go ahead and locate up the video that you want to download. For example, let's say this is a video that you might want to download. So when we head over to the video, right below the subscribe button, we can find this list available that lets us download. So you can find this download button right here. All you need to do is just go ahead and tap on it. After that, you can select up the quality of the video, for example, medium or low. So you can use these options in order to download it for free without the premium. Well, as if you want a higher quality, you need the premium version, but since we are only looking for the video to be downloaded, you can use these options and click on this download option. And when you head over to the view section, you'll be finding a video being downloaded into your device. So that is it. That is how you download a video on YouTube without premium. So I hope this video was helpful and thank you for watching this video.